Merhaba, ben Doku Klinik'ten diş hekimi Mehmet Bakay. Bugün hastamızın tedavisini tamamlıyoruz. Yaklaşık 4 ay önce bize çoklu diş eksikliğiyle başvurmuştu. Hastamızın röntgenini, ağız içi muayenesini değerlendirdik. İmplant tedavisine karar verdik. Hastamızın cerrahi işlemlerini, implantlarını tamamladıktan sonra geçici protezlerle ülkesine uğurladık. Bugün üzerinden 4 ay geçti. Şimdi kalıcı protezlerini yapma aşamasındayız. Ve sonuca birlikte bakalım.
Hi, my name is Mike Hernandez, and I'm from Los Angeles, California. This time I'm here to, I've had a dental procedure, to have implant surgery, replacement of my dental, have a dental prosthesis. The whole process has been a very positive experience for me. The doctors here and the staff were extremely helpful. A comfortable experience. I did not have a lot of pain or anything like that in the process. It was an experience that I would recommend to folks who have had issues with their teeth. We started out with having implant surgery about 4 months ago, and where they put in the implants. 4 months later, I'm here to have my teeth done. The overall experience has been amazing. The doctor and the staff have been remarkable. Dr. Mehmet made sure that every detail was in place, spent a great amount of time to ensure that the look, feel, and touch was he expected, and what I actually experienced to be extremely positive. Would I recommend this place? Absolutely. The Doku Clinic, I think, is one of the premier places for people to visit in order for medical issues. The dental process has been amazing. If I had a need to come back, I would come back, but they saw my dental issues in a very effective way. I really want to thank the staff and the clinic for providing a service that could not get in the United States at an affordable rate as well.